Today, Saturday, May 21, 2022. Day of the Dog. Gori. Best colors to use: green, shades of green; white, shades of white; paternoster. Do not use colors black, blue, bluish, violet. For your information, white feng shui. The element of the dog is that of the mountain Ken. Ergo, if there is no physical dog present, you can place mountains like Fujiyama or even Mount Everest in the western sector to produce element of Shen to attract, or place the mountain form of dog together with the rooster and with the dragon on the left, also a mountain form, to produce cohesiveness to attract